Hello, I'm Sandra. I'm gonna talk to you about the metal europium and its recycling. Europium is used in these screens and the light here. Within the light, it is in the white powder, and there it's responsible for the red light. It cannot be replaced and is very difficult to recycle. Now let's look at this graph. In 2007, more than 98% of the world rare earth oxide, with that europium production, originate from China. Now let's imagine, by 2011, China did fully restrict its export. Europium became scarce, until no more lights and computer screens could be produced. What would you do without computer screens and lights? Luckily, this did only almost come true. As you can see on the bottom left of this picture, Australia opened a new mine, and on top of that, the mine from the USA. But the recycling remains restricted to one plant in the world, France. So why do we not simply recycle more? Well, how often did I discover myself that I just put a lamp into the general waste bin, and then here in Hampshire, this little lamp gets sent to the incineration plant and gets mixed with the bulk of other waste and becomes technically impossible to recycle? So that's where my PhD research steps in. A geologist knows exactly where to dig, as you can see in this picture, where to dig in the mountain. Can we learn from this? Yes, we can. Geology, they have more than 300 years of experience in exploring mines, but in modern waste management, we have only more than 30 years of experience. I've learned in my PhD research through discussions with experts in geology and waste management that where to dig in the mountain. A geologist understands the processes, how a rock concentrates. Certain rock gets washed away by sand and others remain, so they eventually concentrate. So why don't we put this knowledge into the mountain of waste management, so we can learn and understand, as you see the lamps there, where is the concentrated moment and how can we separate it? That we then have the concentrated resource of europium, so that a country like the UK, who has not much europium resources, can become independent, and that recycling europium becomes as normal as recycling aluminium, that we all will always have lights and computer screens that support us in our daily life. Thank you.